start.
Hi everyone, this is Jasnoor. Today I'll be explaining you how we can work with the cost-X, as cost-X is work used in like multinational companies. We use it on all the companies for measuring cost, and this is the basic tool that we should know how to use while we are a quantity surveyor. So I'll be going to my project. This is ACTS building at Oakland, RBI Coast X. And first of all, we know that we have to go on the file, open our project. Also, we know that we can't add more than 8 drawings in our Coast X. So I'll be going to home and showing you that how can I add the drawing. So there I've already added the 8 drawings, so I'm unable to add more. But as soon as I have to add it, I can do it. Then I'll be showing you how we can add the dimension. We have to click on the add. We got the dimension group properties over here, and then we can add the name, folder, measurement type, whether it could be area, length, volume, and also we can type our multiplier. So when we measure it, we can multiply it by either 2, 3, depending upon the scenario. And width, height, that's it. And we can also change our colors and then just insert it. Looking forward towards this, I would be explaining today external wall to 200-meter typical floor wall, and this comes under architect layout, second and third floor plan. So before measuring anything, we need to calibrate from either x-axis or y-axis. So here is my calibration. You can look over there. This is the calibration X, calibrate Y, or if something wrong happened, we can reset the calibration. So we can calibrate from A point to C point, and that's 7.42. Later on, after calibration, we get an estimated value what we need to do next. We need to measure from the point over here that we take positive and then point. We can take positive from here to here, then here, moving downwards, turning left, and then upwards. So this is already calibrated as well as done. After that, the things we need to deduct, we would take the negative and deduct the side values. This is in the 3, and then later on we can click on both and look after our whole. So this is all learning about the external wall that comes under the second to third and fourth and sixth floor plan. Also, how we can change the just double click it, how you can change if something you need to update or do it. Just name the folder external wall 200-meter typical floor. Keep the folder selected, superstructure masonry wall, and measurement type, definitely it gonna be length. Display would be wall area. You can do selected colors, and the default height will be 2.55. Then just update it. Later on, we have to go on the workbooks. So workbooks, I can see over here that I got the 12 over here: preliminary, substructure, superstructure, finishes, fittings, and many more. So how to, I can explain is external wall comes under superstructure. I would go to F subtotal, that is 145.67.3. Just click over here. Moving to forwards, I got the superstructure. Here it is. And then we will be starting about we can tell about block work, that's including machinery, lathe, and stretch bond. And I got the E rate, that's this one, 42. And after clicking on that, it was just not a number, but I got all the values that what I included in my project. That's masonry block war and motor, labor, plant, OH and P, that's 10%. Also giving my quantities, that's all same for everything one. And can you just look that some is in the meter, some in hours, item, so it's all quite different. And my E rates are also variable to all of those. Moving forward, I would go to my report and just customize it. I'll show how I do it. Here is my report, and I would be generating my workbook into the report. This is like what I'm gonna do is generate, click here, and can you see my name? It's Jasnoor, student ID A240131, and then I'll be going on preview. Yeah, it's just loading. And then I have received RBI course X, Jasnoor Kaur ACTS building at Auckland, and this is the basic stuff. So I'll be doing my and here is the superstructure, and I told about that I will be explaining it. Superstructure, so I got the fixed glass size, and then all of them are fixed glass, but sizes are quite different. So the first one I got is 1446 into 2068 meter. So there is quite difference between the sizes. That's why it gets changed. Unit rate is same, but rate gets changes according to the multiplication, and the amount also gets varied according to if as soon as we do the change the variables. And this is all about my project. Under superstructure, we learned about these classes and how the rate changes with the amounts.
What are the
External walls. And here is the main building block work. We can learn about here that masonry block lead in structure bone quantity that's specified. How? Like the quantity is 431 unit. We're gonna take meter square. Rate is 42.02, and then amount 18,111. Facet system is aluminium cladding, and same the rate quantity it gonna be changed, amount gonna be changed. That's all about my project. Thank you so much.